Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make mix Rajma Chawal. This beloved dish is a cornerstone of North Indian cuisine, offering a delightful blend of flavors and textures. We'll explore the essential steps to create this hearty and satisfying meal, perfect for any occasion. Get ready to learn the secrets to a truly authentic and delicious Rajma Chawal that will impress everyone at your table. First, let's prepare the star of our dish, the rajma. Begin by soaking 1 cup of dried kidney beans overnight for about 8 to 10 hours. This crucial step ensures even cooking and a creamy texture. After soaking, drain and rinse them well. Then, pressure cook the beans with 4 cups of water and a pinch of salt for 6 to 8 whistles until they are perfectly tender. Now for the heart of the dish, the rich and aromatic gravy. In a pan, sauté 2 finely chopped onions until golden brown. Next, add 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger-garlic paste, cooking for about 1 minute. Then, stir in 2 pureed tomatoes, cooking until the oil separates. Finally, mix in 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of coriander, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder for that authentic flavor. The final step brings everything together for a truly satisfying meal. Add your perfectly cooked rajma to the simmering tomato-onion gravy. Let this mixture simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld. Before serving, garnish generously with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of bright lemon juice. Serve your delicious Rajma Chawal hot with fluffy steamed basmati rice and a refreshing side salad.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.